How to use Google Trends to make money in 2024. Do you want to know how to use Google Trends to earn money in 2024? Let's find out how you can do that. First of all, what is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free tool developed by Google that helps you find and compare the popularity of search terms and trends in real time. How does it work? If you want to know how popular someone is or the latest blockbuster is, you can simply use Google Trends and find out the popularity of those terms. Google Trends usually give you details like the country, where you want to know the popularity of the search term, time period, past 12 months or past hour or past 30 days and so on, categories, news, technology, beauty, politics and so on. You can compare products, brands, people, and so on. So why should you start using Google Trends? If you're still wondering how and why you should start using Google Trends, here are a few of the benefits Google Trends can offer you in 2024. You can use Google Trends to increase site traffic. By using trending topics, you can create content that people are curious to know more about. If you drive more traffic to your sites, you can find many ways to make money. You can easily find out the popularity of people, brands, products, or anything using Google Trends. Just hit a keyword or type a name on Google Trends and it will instantly show you the popularity and interest among the people around the keyword or topic that you enter. You can use Google Trends to easily make money because you'll have an idea about what people are craving. So how can you make money with Google Trends? Here's a few ideas. 1. Using Google Trends to make money from event-based blogs. You can use Google Trends to make money through event blogging. Thousands of bloggers and affiliate marketers use event blogging with the help of this tool to generate some quick money online. But how? Let's say a big music festival is around the corner. What do you think most people will search on Google? Best event calendars, event quotes, bands playing, how to get tickets, and so on. Those are all very profitable keyword phrases with incredible search volume and great CPC, cost per click. Now if you're ranking for any of such keywords on the first page results on Google, you'll be attracting thousands of visitors to your sites within a few days. That's where you can monetize your traffic using AdSense, info links, selling banner ads, promoting affiliate products, etc. That's called event blogging. This is where Google Trends helps you find topics and the most popular keyword ideas. Here are a couple of quick tips for you to make more from event blogging with the help of this tool from Google. Make sure to find out the keyword search volume when you're coming up with ideas for event blogging so you'll know how popular and how easy it is for you to start ranking for those topics. Ensure access to tools like SEMrush that provide features like keyword analytics and backlink analysis, which will help build a profitable blog around event blogging. 2. Using Google Trends to make money by creating product reviews. Launching a product review site is one of the best ways to use Google Trends to make money. Whether you are running a product review site, comparison site, or a general affiliate website to compare two various products to make money online, you can use Google Trends to find out the best products to promote. That's the beauty of using Google Trends, where you can easily compare two products, brands, or people to see the interest among the people and figure out ways to make money around it by creating product reviews, launching Amazon affiliate sites, and launching products. 3. Using Google Trends to make money from YouTube monetization. We all know how popular YouTube is. It's the second largest search engine after Google, it's the second most visited site after Google, 500 hours of video are uploaded every minute, the average mobile viewing session lasts more than 30 minutes, people watch over 1 billion hours of videos a day, more than Netflix and Facebook video combined, it has over 2 billion active users worldwide and 70% of views come from mobile devices. Clearly, YouTube is the one medium you shouldn't ignore. The great thing about using YouTube is, it allows users to find trending videos for specific regions every 24 hours. So if you want to get millions of views for your YouTube trending videos, you can best use Google Trends effectively. Simply start finding trending and hot topics, create videos, and upload them to YouTube. Just make sure to include some catchy titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. 4. Using Google Trends to earn money by increasing news site traffic. One of the reasons most people launch news sites is it's much easier to get search traffic because you can create content on a wide range of topics. If you're running a news site, you can publish any topic under the sun and you don't have to be an expert in your industry. You can start creating articles on a lot of topics. You can use Google Trends to write about the latest topics and viral news and instantly drive many visitors to your site from search engines like Google. If you create blog posts, articles, or videos around new and trending topics, you can drive people from mobile search and desktop search even without building links, as people are looking for information instantly. So you can just give some interesting news instead of giving them A to Z information. That's how news sites get a lot of traffic, and it's easier to monetize news sites as they get more search traffic. Google Trends is a simple online platform provided by Google to track the top searches that are in trend worldwide. All you need to do is follow these trends to start to make money. Here's 3 simple steps to help you along that path. Step 1. Pick a trend and write an article. First of all, you simply need to browse the Google Trends homepage and browse the hottest topics. From the most trending topics, pick something that suits your profile. If you are a tech writer, then something like new Apple iPhone launch in October. Pick something that seems interesting, and gain knowledge. Google it. Read a few articles on the topic, and then try to merge them all. Do not try to copy and paste others' ideas, as it will not just result in a negative for your image, but it is also considered to be an illegal practice. Step 2. Set up a simple Google blog with approved AdSense. Under the news niche, you need to set up a free Google Blogspot site. This site would be your landing page where all the visitors would come to read your published articles. No designing knowledge is required while setting up such a blog. Choose a theme that matches your blog from the vast collection Google provides. After your site's basic layout is ready, you can publish the recent article you wrote on a trending topic. If you can add pictures to support your point, then that would certainly give you an upper edge. Ensure that the pictures are not protected by any copyrights of third persons. Step 3. Publicize your site and submit your articles to directories. You will need time to get your articles indexed by Google, but the topics in trend change daily. So a better option is to publicize your blog yourself. Spread the news in your Twitter feeds, post about it on Facebook, add some pins to Pinterest, and do everything you can to let the people under your list of social networks like LinkedIn, Dig, Reddit, StumbleUpon, etc. know about your latest post. We hope this video has helped you understand how useful Google Trends is and how you can start to use it to make money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you on our next video, where once again we'll try and help you make some money.